With the growing need for new smart consumer products, designers require a collaborative design environment that includes professional electronic CAD capabilities. With Fusion 360 Electronics Workspace, the designer has all the necessary tools to design their circuit boards successfully. This is a workspace that consists of a schematic editor that supports multi-sheet designs that work alongside and in real time with the PCB editor. Tools for interactive manual routing, length matching, manufacturer rule checks are only some of the features you'll be able to use in your next design. PCB design modifications is possible in 2D or in a 3D environment. Completed designs are previewed and exported into a compatible manufacturing file. All this in Fusion 360.